Welcome to HealthFits. 7 foods that help you sleep better. Although it's common to have the occasional sleepless night, insomnia is the inability to sleep or excessive wakening in the night that impairs daily functioning. All the 7 foods mentioned in this video are very easy to prepare and harmless. If you have been suffering from insomnia for a long time, then you can try this remedies. 1. Nutmeg. Nutmeg is used in the form of auxiliary substances in sleeping medicine for centuries. The most popular way of taking nutmeg is to mix it with a glass of milk and take it before going to bed. If you do not like milk, you can also take it in water or fruit juice. 2. Cumin seeds. Cumin oil is said to be hypnotic because it has some tranquilizing effects. Cumin is also very beneficial for the digestive system. The use of cumin makes the body smart, the body feels light. Method: roast a spoonful of cumin leaf for 5 minutes, add a glass of water to it, let it simmer for 5 minutes more. Allow it to cool, sieve and drink before going to bed. It's very soothing with a great flavor. 3. Banana. Banana is particularly beneficial in treating insomnia. Like milk and apple cider vinegar, it also releases tryptophan and other essential amino acids. These amino acids increase the level of serotonin in the body. Eating bananas also calms the appetite and relieves the habit of night eating. 4. Saffron. Saffron is very helpful for sleeping in acute insomnia. The most appropriate way to take saffron is to infuse some saffron fibers in milk and drink it before going to bed. 5. Hot milk. Drinking hot milk gives a comfortable feeling because milk contains a natural hypnotic compound called tryptophan. Add a pinch of cinnamon in a small glass of light warm milk and drink before sleep. 6. Hot bath. A hot bath before bedtime is very helpful with sleep. The body gets refreshed and releases hormones that prepare the body to take rest. Essential oils such as chamomile or lavender may also be mixed in water to make the hot water bath better. 7. Apple cider vinegar and honey. A mixture of these 2 substances works beautifully with sleep. It is very useful in cases of insomnia. Apple cider vinegar has some amino acids which are helpful in releasing tryptophan. By using honey, the level of insulin increases in the body, resulting in neurotransmitters called serotonin which is released into the body. Mix 2 teaspoons of apple cider vinegar and honey in a cup of tea, drink before bed. Thanks for watching. Like, comment, share, and subscribe to our channel for similar videos daily.